called Twin Lakes. It's an active adult community, and it's got all kinds of amenities: the pool, the tennis, the dog park, the walking trails, and so much more. When you get to the gate code, call me and I'll give you the code to get in, because this is a gated neighborhood. Can't wait to see you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, uptown is more than a location, it's a state of mind. Call me at 321-720-1125 or comment below. Share as well. Share, share, share.